Who is it? Door is open, can come in.
Neighbor. Hey.
Welcome, ma.
Oh.
Yatawa. Welcome. You look very nice.
Thank you.
Are you going out?
No. I just say I should come and greet you. You are enjoying you.
You will. Oh, come and join me.
Thank you, Daddy. So that they will not say somebody is angry.
Of course, you can have some.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. It smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
This meat was so delicious. You are good, though. Please, can I still get more? I'm only joking. I have home training now. My brother-in-law is coming around, though. Do you know anyone who can make authentic Yoruba dish?
That's me.
You are my Igbo. We are counting meat. Pomotu is raising hand. I'm talking of original, authentic amala with ewedu and gbegiri. With orishirishi meat, roundabout, bokoto, and shaki.
That one is small matter now. Is it not just for your brother? Is he your brother-in-law?
Because he's just returning. And my husband people might also come.
Like how many of?
Let's make it like 20 people.
Okay.
But everybody must get plenty.
Not a problem. 20 people. Okay, I can give you at the rate of 3,000 naira per person.
Yeah, Junior.
Okay, wait. Okay, I can give you small neighbor discounts. Okay, so 50,000 naira for 20 people.
It's too much, Jare. Not be ordinary amala.
You don't want authentic amala again? Okay, let's be real. What's your budget?
5,000. It's not something serious. And besides, I don't know if you can deliver.
If I can deliver?
I was just saying, if you give me omona amala that is strong like Olukmoro Kinko.
First of all, it's even umuna. That's not even the point. Do you know what? let me give you final discounts. I'll do everything for you for 45,000 naira. But Iyatawa, you have to promise me that you will bring in a big client. And I know you have contacts. See, if you don't like the food I make for you, you can return the remaining and then I'll give you your money back. I will give you your money back. Deal?
Deal.
Rote.
Yeah.
Nico, look. That place no bad.
But remember, this evening is the competition. And we have to come up with a winning strategy. Yes. I'm not ready to lose for the 13th time.
14th time? We lost in practice, remember?
It's true. Hey.
Rashino! Sit here with your junior. Oh no, I fall for you. Anytime we see you carry pen and paper like this, we know say some good food is about to go down. I'm Nicholas. Rote again.
Nekoko, how's your day been?
Now, Iyatawa wants some amala, iwedu and bakery. And let's just say she put me up to a challenge. We sort of have a bet.
Oh, really?
Yes.
We're kind of in the same situation.
Yes,
it's our annual chess competition this evening at the country club.
Yes, sir. And that's why we are here to strategize on our own game plan.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hopefully, they won't rig the competition again.
Wow.
It's challenge time.
All right.
Yes.
Make me proud.
Sit here with your junior now. Bye-bye.
You and this, you're licking mouth. You almost dropped this thing. You almost ratted us out.
How? You were the first person to mention it now.
Well, I hope she didn't hear us.
See, look, we have to win so that we can maintain our bragging rights.
Bragging right of 13 or 14 losses. Bring chessboard, let's play to do this thing like. Bring the chessboard. Let's say let's practice. You are drinking this thing.
How is it that we have to
Well, since we don't have time, we all have to work together to achieve this. Remember, when mommy wins, we all win. Is that not right?
Yes, Mom.
Is that not right?
Yes, Mommy.
Well, let's start. I don't know why you're hoping. You're waiting for me to tell you what to do. Like it's the first time you're... You know what? I'll be back soon. Just wait for me. Okay, I'm back. Are you still on this? You can go. Go. How many hours do you want to use on ordinary fish? Hey. Cannot wait. Okay, come. All right. Juju, please, you're now in charge. Okay, AJ, you have to support him in turning the amala. Yeah. Now, remember when we started? I gave some cooking instructions. You remember? Okay. Make sure you follow everything to the letter. Okay, don't mess it up, mommy is coming. Okay.
You're not the boss of me. I don't think you can tell me what to do.
You heard what Mom said. Don't mess this up. Do you want to disobey us?
I'm not even going to argue with you. All I want to get now is my phone. Things, news, events happening that I don't know of. Oh, and I fall sick.
Relax, TikTok. Let's just get started.
Stop turning it like that. Turn it like you're turning cement, like this.
Are you the one mommy left in charge?
Give it to me, Joe.
Leave it.
Mommy said I should help
Mommy
you.
left me in charge.
This is how to
AJ,
do it.
AJ.
This is how.
Leave it. AJ.
The north is so beautiful. And the food, it's nothing like I have ever tasted before. The color.
Vibrant. What about the aroma?
The aroma, oh gosh. Smells just like this one.
This smells so good.
Yeah. Your Dambo Shinkafa tastes even better. How did you do it?
Onga seasoning. It's all the seasoning you need for great taste and aroma.
Onga, Mama's helping hand.
No, you people should tell me you want to put me to shame, Abi? You know I have barely 1 hour to deliver this meal. And I beg you people, don't mess it up, now you've ruined it. Is it the first time that you're making amala like this in this house? Everything,
I told you.
It's my fault, no need.
I'm in charge.
We're sorry, Mom. We didn't mean to ruin everything.
Should we go closer to her?
Are you okay? Do you want World War IV to begin?
I warned you that time, but you refused to answer me, so.
Okay, first thing, I'm older than you, okay? Secondly, Mom puts me in charge, so if only you had listened to me.
Shh, must fight. You know, Mom is already angry at us. Enough is enough.
But this time we have trouble back. For real.
Oh, yeah.
No two ways about it.
In fact, I must say I agree with you. I think I'm perceiving Ewedu and Begiri. Hey.
My friend. I hope they will not trade you with food one day in this your life.
What do you mean? What's happening here? Hey, Mama. What's going on? Did anything bad happen to the soup?
Guys, what's happening here?
Now, Mom put us in charge of turning the amala, but AJ just had to ruin it with her over-sabi, and I too know.
It's a lie, Dad. He was acting all bossy, and I really wanted to show him how it was done. Which, of course, now you need every time. Find the solution now. Rubbish.
It wasn't only my fault.
She made a decision. You have found the solution.
It's okay. Don't worry. Try and look for solution. Sorry, Yeah,
It's okay, dear. Sometimes we don't always get it right, even with the best team.
I'm supposed to deliver Yatawa's meal in less than an hour. How do I fix it?
Simple. By everyone recognizing their wrongs and seizing the opportunity to make it right. Nick and I won't go to the tournament if that's what's needed to make this work.
No, please. I know how much you've anticipated it all week. Don't do that, please.
No. We all have to learn to make sacrifices for one another.
Yes.
That is what makes a team.
Yes, we will help you to make the sacrifice, and so that the sacrifice too can come to us.
It's okay, eh? It's okay. Before it turns to contact.
What was that, Nicholas?
Let's go make it happen. Let's go make it happen.
Now, after our water friend.
Let's go make it happen. That's my baby.
Oh yeah, now.
The sacrifice. Let's go there. Guys, go to the kitchen.
Oh yeah, you too. Oh yeah, you too. Join the sacrifice.
Neighbor, I have come for my property. Hey,
Madam.
I just sold.
Sorry, we're on our way.
You have not disgraced my ancestor.
So your everything is intact.
Okay.
Madam.
Good evening.
Yatawa. You have come at the right time.
Okay.
So yes, this is the order, but I saved this special plate so you can taste and then rate my work.
Tasty, tasty.
All this for me?
For you.
For us.
Yeah!
She like it. She like it.
So this is not Umunna Amala.
No, fantastic!
You like it?
Yeah.
That's how she used to do.
That's the only thing she can do.
And
Can do more than that.
and it's only talking you can do.
I will finish this one. Before I go. Yes, I
You want to
must
see that? Let's
Forget,
drink good water.
don't forget our deal, please.